Hello, welcome. You guys made it through Unit 1. Great job. We are starting Unit 2 today. Unit 2, Session 1 is where we'll be at. You should know by now that the best way to access it is going to be here in the update or over here in the materials, fall semester. It's not going to be over here. Nope, you're not going to come over here because you're only getting the assignments over there. You're going to come over here and you're going to access the entire folder. Here's Unit 2. And here's Session 1. Guess what? We get to watch some fun Pixar shorts today, or this week. So it should be a fun week. One thing I do want you guys to make a habit of is coming over to the suggested pacing schedule and just getting an idea of what the week is going to look like. This week you'll notice something really different right here. On Tuesday, you are going to be map testing at 12 o'clock. You will get information about this from Mrs. Neville. If for some reason you don't get directions for how to do this by Monday evening, reach out to me and I will let her know. So that's about the only thing that you need to know, except that I also did not assign anything else on Tuesday. That map test will take you about an hour. If you want to work more in ELA that day, great. If not, totally fine. Just follow the pacing schedule. This week you're going to be making what's called, after you watch some Pixar shorts and practice the plot diagram, you're going to be making what's called a time toast. Time toast is like a little timeline. You'll watch the tutorial here. And you're just going to be really detailing the plot of a movie. You're going to include all 5 points of the plot, which you'll learn about this week. And you're going to include additional events that help really explain what happened in the movie. You need to pick your movie here in the movie choice discussion. Only one person can choose a movie. So you need to choose your movie here you need to post what your movie choice is here in the discussion. But first you need to make sure that none of your classmates have chosen that movie. If someone has, pick a different one. We're talking about Disney movies here, by the way. We're not talking about crazy Die Hard or anything like that. So you'll choose a Disney movie. You'll make your time toast. Here's an example that I can show you of mine. You will not choose my example, which is Lion King. But basically, you're going to just start with a date. Doesn't matter which date. Don't fixate on the date. I didn't either. And you are going to tell me in the sequence, in the order of how the movie goes, some really important parts of the plot. Remember, you need to make sure that you include all 5 points of the plot, which you'll learn about, and then additional points that will help explain the plot. If you're having trouble understanding what exactly is expected of you, please make sure you reach out to me before you get started on this. You will share your time toast in 2 places. Here you will submit the link so that I can grade it according to the rubric. I suggest you take a look at the rubric so you know exactly how you're being graded. And you'll also submit a link here in this discussion post, where you will also look at one other person's time toast and let them know what's good, let them know what it's lacking, and let them know what you think is interesting. That's it for this week. Please let me know if you have any questions. If you get stuck on plot diagrams or time toast, let me know. I can help you with it. Have a great week.